The dogs are waiting for her all the way over there. It's so far away the camera can't even focus on it. But that's 200-300 yards away from the car. I got about 20 yards from the car, and those knuckleheads are already out at the fence waiting on her. And I can hear them barking. Lucy, you wanna go run? Come on. She wants to go swimming first. Who wants to go swimming? They're like, where's Lucy? Come run with us, Lucy. Tails are wagging. Lucy's in the creek. You wanna go see the babies? Let's go see those dogs. Come on, Luce. Come on. Game on. Yeah, there's your girlfriends. Showing off. Come on, Lucy, let's go. Puppy dogs. Go see those puppies. There's a third one up there too. And let the games begin. Go, go, go! She lives for this. Party on! Ah. Whew. What are you ladies' dogs doing? What are y'all doing? What are you doing? Oh, God. Come on, let's go, Luce. Run, run, run. Come on. Hey, guys. Hey, good girl. What are you doing? Whoa.